Assalamualaikum. Sometimes I wonder how to make a crispy fried chicken and have those appealing crispy flakes like the one in the fast food chain. Today I learned how to do it and want to share with you some basic tips that I think some of you might already know. However, I share them for those who don't know yet. Let's do it. Let's marinate the chicken. Place the drumstick in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you eat spicy like me, 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 100 ml unsweetened fresh milk. Remember to pierce the chicken so that the seasoning can penetrate the meat more quickly. Mix well and put in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Since my chicken drumsticks are quite large, after marinate I will steam them first to avoid undercooking the meat inside when frying. Now let's make the butter. You will need 150 g all-purpose flour, 75 g cornstarch, 7 g baking powder equal to 1.5 teaspoon. This will make our chicken super crispy. 1.5 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon ginger powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Mix the flour. Then take out 60 g of the flour mixture, equivalent to 8 tablespoons. And put it into a separate bowl to make a wet batter. Add 80 ml of water to this wet batter. Stir well until you get a slightly thick butter mixture, like this. Now dip the chicken into dry butter, then into the bowl of wet butter, and again into the dry butter. Shake off excess flour to create beautiful crispy flakes when frying like this. When the oil is hot, gently place the drumstick into the oil. Hold it for a moment to let the butter set before releasing, like how I'm doing it now. Only fry a maximum of 2 pieces at a time. If using a small pot, I only fry one by one. Adding too many pieces at once can lower the oil temperature, causing the chicken to absorb too much oil. Fry over low to medium heat until the chicken turns golden. Remove the chicken to drain excess oil. For the second frying, increase the heat and fry for about 30 seconds or until the chicken is beautifully golden brown. Here it is, our super crispy fried chicken is ready. It smells delicious and it is so crispy. You can see the beautiful flake, look so crispy, right? By frying 2 times, your fried chicken can keep crispy longer. And don't worry, the meat inside is still juicy and savory because we're steaming the chicken before frying. It also helps reduce the frying time, making the skin and coating golden and crispy, while keeping the meat juicy and not dry. If your chicken drumsticks are smaller, you can skip the steaming step. Enjoy! And now we are done with our today's recipe, crispy fried chicken. Look at this. Look like the one you can buy in the fast food chain. Look at how the dragon scale is. Let's see. See? So beautiful. Beautiful piece of drumstick. Now, let's give it a try. Bismillah. Still hot. It's crunchy and juicy. It's nice. It's crunchy on the outside, of course, and juicy on the inside. You should try this at home. It's easy to make. It's a little bit noisy outside because my rooftop is open area, so you can hear almost everything. Now it's a bit noisy outside with their horn and everything, and the dog keep barking. But I get used to it. As long as I'm inside, I cannot hear much. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe together. If you have anything to comment, feedback, or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.